If you use the Basa, today we're going to be showing Basa. So if you're going to be using the Basa along with the skin, it gets you even vitamin D. So that becomes a great source of food that you can really choose to go with. And along with that, I'm going to show you some kind of basil leaves. So that's going to provide you fiber. So today we're going to be showing a whole bunch of a great meal.
A very warm welcome. तहे दिल से आप सबका स्वागत करते हैं. ये प्रवीण और मैं महक हूं और आज हम आप सबके लिए बना रहे हैं एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन और देसी रेसिपी. एंड ये सारी चीज़ें जो हम यूज़ करने वाले हैं ये आप हर किसी इंडियन मतलब हमारे जैसे घरों में सबके घर में ये सारी चीज़ें मौजूद होंगी. बहुत ही आसान चीज़ है एंड गिनती के 3-4 चीज़ें हम यूज़ करने वाले हैं एंड झटपट तैयार हो जाएगी और हाईली पौष्टिक है. तो देखिए कैसे बनाते हैं हम हमारी नई बासा बेसिल पैन फ्राइड.
Exactly. So guys, if you haven't subscribed, you want to make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the link below to find out the other videos that we have online. At the same time, hit that bell button that you get the intimation on whenever we have a new video going up or else we're going live.
Ingredients for basil masala: basil leaves 1 cup, 1 fillet of basa, 1 cup sesame seeds, that would be 2 tablespoons, half cup of shredded coconut. We would be using 2 cloves of garlic, half cup of Greek yogurt. Optional, you can also go for normal yogurt. How do you prepare the masala? That's how we go for the basil masala. 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt. Optional, you can go in for normal yogurt. 1 tablespoon of shredded coconut. You're going to take 2 cloves of garlic. You're going to take handful of basil leaves. Half teaspoon of Himalayan salt as per your taste. We're going to grind and blend the same. A serving bowl. To that we're going to add the masala what we have made. That's the basil masala what we have done. And we're going to quickly toss the basil with that masala, the basa with the masala. Perfect. Now there are 3 options to make the same. 1, you could bake it into an oven at 185 degrees Celsius. Second, you could make it over the pan like how I'm going to show you. Third, you could also steam it while using a banana leaf. We'll show that recipe sometime soon. Lastly, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds mixed. So that's going to be white and black both. And now we're going to quickly put it into the refrigerator for about 10 minutes and let the masala settle down on the fish. I'm going to add half teaspoon of oil. You could use olive oil. Optional, you can also go for half teaspoon of butter. But I prefer using olive oil. You could also go in for a spray oil. Now I'm going to put the basa fillet on the pan. And we are going to cook the same for about 5 to 8 minutes until it's well done. Meanwhile, the basa is getting cooked. I'm going to quickly prepare my herb sauce. For the same, I'm going to be using Greek yogurt. That will be 1 tablespoon because it's just 1 portion what we are doing. So the basa is about 100 grams and with that we're going to be giving a herb sauce. The herb sauce is really simple. With that I'm going to drizzle some amount of sesame seeds over it. And lastly I'm going to add some microgreens. If you don't have microgreens, you could also use fresh coriander leaves. You're going to mix the same and give it a nice whip. So we're going to let the basa be cooked and become slightly golden. It would hardly take some time. Why? Because basa cooks really fast. It's not like other fishes where it will take time. So how to know exactly when your fish is well done is once the fish is done, you could prick a small knife or spoon and see. If it comes out clear, that means it's well done.
Alright guys, so the basa is ready with a complete meal. So it got Greek yogurt, it got basa, it got some salad. So it's good to go as a complete meal. And that's exactly what you're looking forward for. You're looking for fitness. So correct portion of protein, quality of protein. So you're gonna make sure that you share the video with as many friends as possible, that even they get to know about how to stay fit.
And if you like the video, please do click on the button, subscribe and share the channel.
Yeah, that's all about it. So we'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay fit.
Jaldi milte hain. Thank you.